In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D object in AutoCAD step by step, even if you're just getting started. This is a simple beginner-friendly guide that will help you switch into the right workspace, choose a 3D shape, and create a basic 3D model in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your AutoCAD drawing. You can start with a new file or use an existing project depending on what you want to model. Once your drawing is open, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct file and ready to work in 3 dimensions. Next, you need to switch your workspace to 3D modeling. This is important because the 3D tools are easier to access when AutoCAD is set up for 3D work. Look for the workspace switcher, then change the current workspace from drafting or annotation into 3D modeling. As soon as you do that, AutoCAD will update the interface and give you access to the tools you need for creating 3D objects. Now go to the Home tab. This is where you'll find the basic creation tools, including the solid modeling options. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the 3D shape tools. Depending on the shape you want, you can choose options like box, cylinder, or sphere. These are some of the easiest ways to create a simple 3D object in AutoCAD. For this example, let's say you want to create a basic 3D solid like a box. Click the Box tool. After selecting it, AutoCAD will ask you to define the base point. Move your cursor into the drawing area and click where you want the object to start. This base point decides the position of your 3D model in the drawing. After setting the base point, you'll need to specify the size of the object. Depending on the shape you selected, this may mean entering the length and width for a box or the radius for a cylinder or sphere. You can type the values directly into the command line, or you can use your mouse to define the dimensions visually. This step controls the footprint of your 3D object. Once the base size is set, AutoCAD will ask for the height. This is what gives your object its third dimension and turns it from a flat shape into a solid 3D model. Enter the height you want, then press enter to confirm. AutoCAD will generate the 3D object instantly, and that's it. You've successfully created a 3D object in AutoCAD. You can now rotate the view, inspect the model from different angles, and continue adding more solids if needed. If you want, you can repeat the same process to create cylinders, spheres, or other basic 3D forms for your design. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you know when new AutoCAD tutorials are available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.